Jane is a fabulous philanthropist, civic leader, and wonderful citizen for the Cape Cod community. She has supported Cape Cod Hospital and the VNA within our healthcare system for years.
She is an amazing person. She quietly gets things done. She's not, out there to do it for personal gain or attention, but she really cares about the organization she supports.
Jane has been tremendously helpful to Gosnell, as she has to many other organizations on the Cape. But it's much more, at least from my perspective, than simply providing funds and assistance to organizations. While that's very helpful, it's very nice to know that the person has genuine concern and interest and wants to know what you're doing, how you're doing it.
Jane is someone who is not simply a donor who writes a check and then goes away. She asks great questions. She's civically minded. She has the best interests of Cape Codders.
One of the biggest things she's done for us is she built the outside staircase. When the kids were coming up from the schools before, they were walking up a dirt hillside and it was eroding, and it was actually starting to take the parking lot with them.
I talked to Jane about ideas that I have. In a way, she's helped us with what I would call sort of research and development, innovations that we try out. One very successful that we've been working on in the last couple of years and trying to integrate addiction and mental health treatment into primary care offices and to the hospital, which have gone very well. And so she's provided some resources to help us get those things started, and they are making a difference now, and they're going to make a big difference in the future.
It's about giving back to the widest services that impact the most people here on the Cape. And in our case, she's given to women's services, she's given to cancer care, she's given to the VNA, which touches the elderly or the infirmed. There's just an unbelievable wide net of individuals that she's touched within our community by giving to the healthcare system here on Cape Cod. And it's something that's hard to quantify where we would be as a healthcare system had it not been for the generosity of Jane and her family.
There's a sweetness about her, but there's also backbone, and that's the kind of presence I think it's important for everybody to have in their lives.